Hey, in property management, there is something we call property inspection. So, this is one of our room that we are managing, and our client has just checked out. And now, currently, I'm just checking on some of the things that have been damaged in case there is any. Now, just trying to check whether you can see the taps are still functional, everything is in proper place, and our apartments are fully furnished apartments. They normally come up with the utensils that are on board, and you can see he left the cooker in good shape. You can see everything is in order. This is the kitchen area. It has some little cabinets where you can do some of the storage. Your kitchen area. Switches are functional. Great. Then you can see this is the washing machine. Let me see if the washing machine is functional. Normally have that switch. Then we have the second switch, which is here. Switch is on. Great. Also the washing machine also is in perfect condition. So this one is in good order. Yep. So something I came to learn is that whenever you're doing inspection, actually we normally have the checklist, but I just came from the office, and I was just informed that this client here has checked out, and I was on rooftop, so I just decided to take the liberty to pass through before I come with my checklist. So I was saying, I came to realize whenever you are doing inspection, so long as you've been doing this thing for quite a while, you'll just know the routine. Something I came to learn is that when you are doing your inspection, I normally start with my left side, then checking from up to down. You check on the walls, whether the walls are still in good shape. Look at that, we have a dove here. Beautiful. Okay. It has flown away. You can see the chair still in good shape. The client was not able to mess it up. Mind you, this client has been with us since 2023. So since then, this is the balcony. Balcony side. Okay. Live flowers are still in good order. Then this is the behind balcony. You can see our apartment is just close to the airport. You see, that is Ethiopian airline. They are waiting for the people to be picked. Okay, let me not digress. Let me finish up with my work. Just go through. This is the couch. Okay, the remote is there for the TV. Telephone, it's there. Okay, functional. It's functioning. Then have the Wi-Fi. You normally have the Wi-Fi in the room. The picture is in good shape. Wall picture, the AC functioning. really well. So the lights have turned on, all the lights, they are in good shape also. So this is the area where you put some of your items, and also I have seen some clients put some shoes here, putting as a shoe rack. So we are heading to the bedroom. Actually, this apartment is a 1-bedroom apartment, and the space between here up to there, the sitting room is about this is 11 meters up to there. Then from this side up to the end, it's 4 meters. Yeah, living space. It's a big room. Yeah, so we are heading to the bedroom. We normally have 2 TVs, the one in the sitting room and the bedroom. Where's the remote? Okay. Yeah, still doing the inspection. Let me see the lights. Let me put on the lights. Okay, also the AC. It is a centralized AC. Yeah, the TV is functional. Yeah. Oh, see, the client forgot the clothes, so this one I'll have to call the client about his clothes to come and pick. Yeah, look around, beautiful apartments coming up. Yeah, this is Juba is growing. Juba is growing, and we love that. Yeah, so this is the study area in the bedroom. Yeah, and look, this is the bed. Look at that bed. It's a 5 by 6. Yeah, lighting in perfect condition. Then we do have the washroom. We do have a bathtub. We normally have a bathtub. Yeah, I really love this client. This client really maintained our apartments. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Okay. Functional. Yeah. Oh, nice. Good. Then we normally have oh, nice, functional. Yeah. Oh, great. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so that's all about the bedroom. Let me stand here. You can see the size of the bedroom. It's quite big and functional. Yeah, awesome. Wardrobes are in perfect condition. This client was really good. He really maintained the apartment and left it in a good condition. Yeah, it's a wardrobe area. Awesome. Whoa. Okay. Good. Yeah. Awesome. Wardrobes in good shape. Light, good shape. Then we have the outside washroom. So this is the one for the visitors in case they come. Yeah, for the visitors. Yeah. Okay, have 2 bathrooms. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, you have the ironing board over there. So that was just a short inspection. I'll come later to do the full inspection with my checklist. Yeah, but even before the client checks out, we normally have a procedure whereby our team always do an inspection before a client checks out. So thank you so much. And of today, this room is vacant. We are hoping for you to book with us. Check on us. Currently, check on us on Smart Properties Limited as we put this room on sale. Not sale really, but on rental. Vacant. It's a vacant room. So when you're traveling to Juba, you want to come and stay with us, give us a call. Check on Smart Properties and waiting to host you. Welcome and thank you so much. This is Platinum Executive Apartment. Welcome.